Hi, my name is Leslie Hunt, and I'm the owner of Hands On Healing. I started this business in 2010, and over the years, it has become something so much more than just me. Over the last 14 years, so much life has happened. I've invested in my clients and community. One young female client who suffered an athletic injury went on to become a massage therapist and now works with clients here. Another of our clients loved her skincare treatment so much she developed a passion for aesthetics and couldn't wait to work with a spa that inspired her. During the years, my daughter has worked for my company and is now about to graduate from college. I will tell you, not everything we do shows up on before and after pictures, but I see it. My staff and I have a passion for what we do, and it shows. Over the years, we've changed lives by giving men and women their confidence back. We have helped them look younger, clear up acne, learn to care for their skin. We've cried tears with our clients, and we have laughed with our clients. We have celebrated their great reviews. Hands On Healing is more than just a brand. It's a mission to touch lives. My first year as an esthetician, a client in her 60s commented that my facial was wonderful, and it was the first time she had really been touched and cared for since her husband passed. If you're looking for healing, health, beauty, clearer skin, or saying goodbye to sun damage, if you're stressed, starting a self-care journey, weight loss journey, self-love journey, my team is here to complement your work. We will be your biggest fans and celebrate your wins with you. It used to be my story, but now it's our story. Now we are part of a community and the life cycle. Over the years, we've celebrated births, graduations, marriages, and personal success stories. We have also mourned the loss of clients and our clients' loved ones. Hands On Healing is an all-female staff, many of which are fluent in Spanish. We work with all skin types and love a good challenge. We embrace your stress and want to help you lose some of that baggage when you visit. We are so much more than just a massage place, a med spa, a facial or wax studio. We are a group of women in all walks of life, and we love what we do and are devoted to providing the absolute best techniques and results. The thing that always lights up my day is seeing clients come in, committed to a treatment plan, and maybe a year later walk in with truly glowing skin, sunspots gone, clear skin, wrinkles erased, and skin hydrated, fuller lips, and most of all, a confident smile. I see that every day.